Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
You call?
Yeah, I called. Me and my husband had an altercation.
Okay.
And I just want him to leave.
Okay. How long y'all been living together?
We've been living together for a long time.
Okay, so what happened today?
I gave him the car and I outlet, told him to take the car. We was at my job. We had an altercation. It started at my job. Then when I got here, he won't let me in the house.
Okay. I'll go talk to him. You have your ID with you?
No, he has all my credentials. LeJohn, give him my purse. Come here, sir. He got a gun, sir. Sir, come back. He might have a gun.
I don't want to talk to you.
Okay.
I don't want to talk to you, man.
You don't have to talk to me.
Sir, come back. He might have a gun.
I don't want to talk to you.
Put the gun down. Can I get back up? Black man with a rifle. Shot fire, shot fire. Shot fire. Put the gun down. Put the gun down. 22/31, shot fire. Back up, can't get back up, please. Shot fire, shot fire. Black male, black, white shirt, had a rifle. Apartment 122, Rockledge apartment. Suspect barricade inside apartment, keep firing. On top. Yes. Top floor, sir.
Be close. Back in, whoever's giving the command, keep on doing it. They're listening from the inside.
We can move up, and there he is. There's the sun coming out. Hey, walk down to us. Hands up.
Push forward a little bit.
No, stay right here. Let them take verbals. Brad's gonna call. I got eyes on both of them. I'm right here on the side of you. Suspect 2. He's got his hands up, nothing in his hands.
Just a phone.
They're gonna call him to that side. Y'all hold here.
They getting down on the ground. They got his hands up.
Hey, be advised that guy's gonna be the fun with the black shirt up.
He's coming. Just gonna do quickly, okay? Anything on you? Okay. in there?